Do you ever have that annoying problem where a ring with a bigger stone just keeps falling to the side or hanging loose? My friend had this exact issue for years. She has super thin fingers, and even though she loved so many ring designs, she could almost never buy them because they just wouldn't fit right. But the other day, I was wearing this ring on my hand and it sat so straight and pretty. When I took it off to show her, she noticed something right away. She saw this clear silicone adjuster underneath and said, "Wait, what is that?" When I showed her how it works, she was totally mind blown. It was such a game changer for her because now she can finally buy and wear any ring design she loves without stressing about the fit. Before ordering, I always measure the specific finger I want to wear a ring on because I like wearing my rings on different fingers. But even with the right size, our knuckles are wider than the base, or our hands swell in the summer, so a top-heavy ring can still drop to the side. These soft adjusters are completely invisible, super comfortable, and they keep your ring sitting perfectly upright all day. Remember, if there is a little problem, there's always a solution. So wear what you love and feel confident every single day.